Viewer discretion is advised.
This season on Project Runway.
Go! Did you ever think you'd find yourselves in a boxing ring? The coldest place in Manhattan?
You're sleeping on top of the Empire State Building.
I have breakfast sandwiches for everyone. Your first unconventional materials challenge. They're all...
Shake your little booties.
Dun, 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 dun.
You know I love you so much.
We definitely understand how hard this must be.
It's a very hard place to be in.
For all of us.
Hallelujah. That was like, oh, there goes my heart.
Wow, he did amazing.
And our guest judge for today, Demi Lovato, Dove Cameron, Olivia Munn, Kate Upton, China Ann McLean, Kelsey Ballerini, Katie Holmes, Maddie Ziegler, Yolanda Hadid, and Asia Kate Williams.
The way that it was done, I do not agree with.
Michael, why are you running off the stage?
This has never happened in history.